Hi everybody and welcome to my shop. I'm Frank. A friend of mine had problems with his printer, a Creality CR-10S. It's first printer, brand new. He had trouble printing, so he brought me the printer. First thing, the hot end fan has broken during transport from his place. Let's replace it with a nice Noctua as I did on the Monoprice Mini, but this time, because this printer is so big and we have room to work with, I will replace the fan without soldering, just with what comes in the Noctua box. So here is the printer. First, don't forget to turn it off. Unwrap the Bowden tube at the top of the extruder. Undo those two screws. Watch out so that case doesn't drop on you. And just unscrew the little fan. I'm gonna cut the wire near the fan to have room to put the new one in. Turn on the printer and look for the plus and minus cables. So in this case, the yellow one is positive. Turn off the printer. So connect with the little jumpers that came with the Noctua fan. Connect the red and yellow wires. Just squish it with the plier. And test if the connection is good. Same thing with the black wire on the blue. Connected to the blue with the same little jumper. Squish it. It comes with some grease, I think. Turn on again. Plug in the fan. It works. So no mistake here. Turn off the printer again. So you have to follow the airflow with this small arrow on the Noctua fan. So you want to blow air on the hot end and make sure the cable is up. So this is the way to do it. Just have the sticker facing the hot end. Don't pinch those wires, so make sure everything is at its place. There is one outside for the part fan, and the red wires and the black wires goes in. So the new wires we just installed. You put back the shroud with those two screws and attach the wires with the others like this. Put back the little tape, then some zip ties to finalize the installation so it doesn't move on you. Another one at the bottom just to secure everything. And test it. And it's fixed. And that's it for me, guys. As usual, if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, push the little bell if you want to be notified of new video coming from me, and see you on the next video. Ciao, bye!